Game UI state. It is a class, is purpose for data class that hold the UI state, word score, and etc. And the word data.kt is purpose for list of words and helper function for scamming. Okay, let me present Unscramble app architecture by break it down step by step. We gonna go to view UI layer first. File game screen.kt in TechPad Compose purpose. This is what the user see and interact with. Its responsibility is display the scramble word, show score, word count, and input field for the user guess. Send user input the guess word to the view model. Observe UI state update from the view model via stateful or write data and recompose the UI automatically. Key point for the view UI layer. The view doesn't handle game logic. It's a dumb in terms of logic. It's only render data and send user action. View model layer. File go to game view model.kt. Purpose acts as a bridge between the UI and the data model. It stores state and handle business logic. Responsibility is hold current game data, current word, score, word used, and word count. Check guesses. Go to check guess, get user guess by verifying if the user input matches the word, the correct word. Update game state. Update next word. In class, choose the next scramble word. Increase score or end game. Reset game. Go to the reset game class. Start by starting a new game session and export the UI state via stateful or write data so the UI can observe, change, and update automatically. Key point, the view model keeps the app logic, but it doesn't know about how the UI is drawn. It only provides data and state. Model layer, go to game UI state. It is a class and word data kt or similar. Purpose contain pure data and business logic. Responsibility game UI state is a data class that holds current UI information like data class game UI state. As shown, you can see the string, the integer number, and your score number, and when the game over, it's shown boolean false. The word data.kt hold the list of words. Helper function to scramble word or the other logic like checking duplicated, and any pure function that manipulate data without direct interacting with the UI. Key point model is all about the data and rules and doesn't know anything about the UI or user interaction. Data flow in the app. Here is step by step of what happens when a user plays. UI layer or game screen display a scramble word from the view model. User type a guess and hit submit. The UI send the guess to game view model and go to check user get class. Then the view model check the get using the model layer or data logic in a game UI state class and word data. If correct, update score and then load the next scramble word. The view model update the stateful with the new game state. The UI observes the state flow and automatically render with the new word or score. Let's go to uh, summarize take key takeaway. Separation of concern. Each layer has a clear job. View, display, and send input. View model, logic, and state management. Model, that is a pure data and rule. Reactive UI. The UI automatically update whenever the state change. And testable because the view model and model have no UI code. They're easy to test in isolation. So in the next video, I'm gonna demo how the Unscramble app